Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to design the circuit boards like this from this. So let's get started. So first of all, uh, to design a PCB like this, you need to design a PCB layout diagram and then generate a Gerber file and give it to PCB manufacturer. So in order to do that, usually you need a software, but today I'm gonna show you how you can use an online tool on which you can draw the PCB layout and generate a Gerber file. So there's a platform called easyeda.com where you can draw the schematic and PCBs and generate a Gerber and give it for the PCB manufacturer. So in order to do that, first you need to log in to the website and then go into the Easy EDA Designer. Once you check in, just ensure you must be on the standard mode, not in a simulation mode, and then you need to click on new project. So I'll show you one simple circuit board. So we're gonna show you LED indicator. Simple LED indicator I'm gonna design. Show it to guys. So this is my project. Save it. Once you save it, it will gonna create the folder. You can see here. And it will also create a schematic sheet. So in order to enter the schematic, first let's save the schematic. So I'll first rename the sheet. Okay, now hit the Ctrl S to save the sheet. Once you save the sheet, look, you can see the sheet has been saved in the folder. Now let's start the schematic. You can fill this information if you want. Before going and choosing the component, let me give you the rough idea about this tool. This is the schematic drawing tool where you can connect the components, you can add the standard symbol, check the nets, and you can also draw the shapes on the PCB, add the text, okay, so on. So now I need to add the components. So for that we have two options. One is the EE library, which gives you the all standard components, and also there is a library which contain other parts, like other parts from FICE, LCSC component provider, and other sources. For example, if you want a PCB file, you can check and you can find the component what you need. So here I don't need this. So I'll go and first check the components in EE library. I'm gonna need one resistor. Just click on the resistor, it will get pick up. Then I'm gonna need battery. Then I'm gonna need one LED. You can select the component and hit R to rotate it. Okay, now the placement is done. Now let's do the connection part. Click this wire option and join the 2 points. Okay, now let's add ground, because in PCB I need a copper area which should be connected to ground. So I am adding it. So this is done. Now the first part is done. Let's also save it. Now you need to convert to PCB. I mean, you need to do the PCB layout part. So for that you need to convert to PCB. What it will do, it will convert and create a PCB file. So you can simply first save the file by clicking Ctrl S, and you can modify the name. So I'll write So here you can see there is a option for selecting the layers, and this is the option for connecting the tracks and adding the text, adding a copper, and few other things. So let's first place the components. So I'll select the I'll first select the top layer, and I'll place the component on top layer. So you can select by clicking over here, and let's place. Similarly, here you can click R to rotate the component. So I'll make the routing easy. Okay, let's keep it like this. So now the component has been placed and everything is placed like name and all. Now let's start the track. Let's start the routing. So in order to do that, click the track option. Before starting the routing, let's first select the unit. I'm comfortable in mm, and let's also select the track thickness. I'll select 1 mm. Then hit the track and go to the first point and connect to the second point. Then simply escape if you're done. I'll again select track and then do the second part. So this is done, but in some PCB you may require to route track from the bottom side. So in order to do that, select the bottom layer. This is the bottom routing layer and this is the top routing layer. So I'll select bottom and then again try to route from the bottom side. So this is the example of routing a track on the bottom layer. Now also let's add text to our PCB. So we need to add text on silk screen, top silk screen. So let's add it. This looks name. Let's place it over here. So this is done. Now if you wanna see the 3D view of it, you can simply go and check 3D view. This is how it looks. Okay, now the next step is save the PCB, and also I forgot to add copper area. So let's add copper area. Copper area must be on top routing. So select the layer first and then add copper area. Just give the 4 points and then hit escape. So it is added on the top side. Now let's do it on the bottom side as well. So it's done. Again, let's see through the view. This is how now the PCB will look like. Remember, you can also change the color if you want. Okay, you can also choose the board thickness. Standard is 1.6 mm, so I'll leave it there. So now the next part is save it and generate the Gerber. So this is the Gerber generate option. You can click on it, say yes to check TRC. It will check the PCB and give you the Gerber generation option. You can simply click here in order to save it to your local computer. Okay, and this folder you can give it to your PCB manufacturer, or if you want to give direct order to JLC PCB, then you can directly place order by clicking over here. Okay, just remember JLC PCB, LCSC and Easy EDA, they are having a tie-up. So JLC PCB does the PCB manufacturing work, LCSC provides the component, and Easy EDA is the schematic PCB designing platform. So I hope guys this video is very informative and helps student, beginners and hobbyists, or many of you who likes or who loves the electronics. So that's it guys, this is the contribution from my side. Just give the like if you like this video, and also share if you like this video. That's it guys, thanks for watching, see you.